Welcome to our Gimbal Showdown. Today we are diving into a detailed comparison of two innovative smartphone gimbals, the JCROBOT iSleeky L7C and the AOCHUAN Smart X2AI. Both gimbals promise to enhance your video recording experience, but they come with different features and price points. Let's explore what each has to offer. The JCROBOT iSleeky L7C utilizes app-based tracking, which allows for advanced features but requires a smartphone app to function fully. On the other hand, the AOCHUAN Smart X2AI offers a unique advantage with its app-free tracking capability, making it easier to use without additional downloads. This difference can significantly impact user experience, especially for those who prefer simplicity. When it comes to portability, the JCROBOT iSleeky L7C shines with its lightweight and foldable design, weighing just 0.78 pounds. This makes it perfect for on-the-go videographers. In contrast, the AOCHUAN Smart X2AI, while still manageable, is heavier at 1.37 pounds and lacks the same compactness, which may be a consideration for those who travel frequently. The user interface is another area where these two gimbals differ. The JCROBOT iSleeky L7C does not feature a display, relying solely on the app for controls. In contrast, the AOCHUAN Smart X2AI boasts an OLED display, providing users with real-time feedback and easier access to settings. This can enhance the overall user experience, especially during dynamic shooting situations. In conclusion, both the JCROBOT iSleeky L7C and the AOCHUAN Smart X2AI offer unique features that cater to different user preferences. The JCROBOT is ideal for those seeking portability and app-based functionality, while the AOCHUAN excels with its app-free tracking and OLED display. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.